Hi, I'm Eric with Smittybilt, and today we're going to talk about our part number 91406, which is our OE style door surrounds, which fit the 07 to 18 Wrangler JK 4-doors. To convert these original clip-in style to the cable style, we have included inserts which simply snap in place on the front and rear door surrounds to convert it to work with your cable style tops. All of our pieces will be secured with threaded brass inserts and OE style threaded knobs. The 4-door kit comes with a total of 6 knobs. Our 2-door kit comes with a total of 4 knobs. This will work with Smittybilt and other OE style tops, and it features watertight OEM style seals. So for assembly, it's pretty simple. You just need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. We'll start off by taking the rear piece, the lower and the upper. It features a tongue and groove connection, which simply slides in to the lower, clips in place. Once that's done, you'll take one of the screws that's included and it will be secured together right in this pre-drilled screw location. You do not want to over tighten this, it just needs to be snug. When you do install the front panels and you do use the clip-in rails, simply take the rail, line up the tabs, and it will clip into place. Once that's in place, install the OEM style seal right there. Since we're installing our boatless top with this, we don't need the clip-in rails, but the install remains the same once you put them on the vehicle. So we're going to start off with the rear. Take this one long knob, take the whole rear assembly, open the rear door. What you're going to want to do is there's a locating tab on the bottom of the door surround, which meets up with the locating hole in the body tub. The front piece will sit in the front seal. What you want to do is simply line this up with the front seal so you don't damage the seal. Drop this into the locating tab and then clip that in place. Then you're going to take your threaded knob, line up the threads, and start threading the knob in place. You just need to give it a couple turns at first because we're going to allow this to move a little bit so we can position it correctly with the front door surround. So don't close your door all the way. And you're going to take the front door surround and the short knob, which will go in the middle on your B-pillar. Your front one's going to install, put the clip in near the roll bar, make sure the seal doesn't get damaged, and push this down in place. Make sure the seal's nice and even here. Your foam seal is in place here. And you take this middle center knob, and line it up with the factory threaded hole. Loosely put it in place. Finally install the front one. Once those are installed, go ahead and tighten down all of the knobs. Want to ensure to make sure the door surround's pushed forward and sits evenly in your factory front seal. While you're installing door surrounds, you want to inspect your factory seals and make sure there's no dirt inside them or contaminants. Make sure they're in good condition, no cracking, or if they're creased, you want to replace those. Now you can go ahead and tighten this one down. As that one's down, push down on this and go ahead and tighten the center knob down. Our style of door surrounds will work with the factory Sunrider feature. Our hooks will work a little bit differently than factory. We feature a lever on the inside of the door, which operates a hook, forward-facing hook. Simply, once you put your bow assembly over, you're going to depress the hook, and the tab on your bow assembly will slide underneath the hook, and then it will lock into place. That concludes our door surround install.